Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use arrays with your Visual Basic Windows Form application. This will be a very basic demonstration of using arrays. So let's get started. I will just take a button and resize it, and I will change its text as array and just double click it. And first of all I will show you how to declare arrays. So for example, I want to make the array of names. So basically I want to have a list of names. I have several number of names and I want to make a list of those names so I can store these names in an array. So first of all, how to declare array? Just write dim name, and this bracket shows Visual Basic that it's an array, and whatever number you enter between this bracket will tell Visual Basic that this array contains the number plus 1 members. So if you enter here 4, then it will contain 5 names because array starts from 0, right? And then as usual need to give the data type. So for example, we give string data type to our name array. So this is the declaration for the array. Now for the assignment, what you can do is, this should be names, right? Because this is a list of names, right? So for assignment you can just write names 0 is equal to, and you can give any name, and in the same way I can assign the rest of the 4 names, right? So the array starts from 0, then goes to 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? And name can be different. I'm storing different names. Okay, now how to retrieve these names uh, as a useful entity. For example, I want to show the first element of the array, which is mark. Then I can just show it in the message box. So I will write message box dot show names, and in the bracket you can pass the item number, and you can just show the name mark, which is the item 0. So I will just run my program. So my program is running, and when I click this button it shows the first element of the array. Now for example, I want to iterate, or I want to show all the names one by one. This I can do by using for loop. So I will write for I is equal to 0 to the length of the array. So we can determine the length of the array by just copying the name of the array dot length, right? And then I write -1. Why I'm writing here -1? Because we are starting from 0, right? And the length of the array is 5, so that's why I'm writing -1 here. And in here I can just cut this message box from here and paste it here, and instead of 0 I will write I. So it will iterate the value of all the names from 0 to 4 in this message box one by one using this for loop. So when I run the program and when I click this button, it will show the first name, which is Mark, second name Julie, third name, fourth name, and fifth name, right? So in this way you can use arrays in your Visual Basic Windows Form application. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.